Do you stuck when you want to talk about your future plan? I will go or she will coming. Hello everyone. This is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામરનો એક મોસ્ટ પાવરફુલ ટેન્સ શીખવાના છીએ, સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ. આ ટેન્સ ડેઇલી કન્વર્સેશન, ફ્યુચર પ્લાન, પ્રોમિસીસ, પ્રિડિક્શન્સ એન્ડ સ્પોકન ઇંગ્લિશ માટે સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ છે. જો તમારે ઇંગ્લિશમાં ફ્યુચર પ્લાન વિશે વાત કરવી હોય તો સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ માસ્ટર કરવો મસ્ટ છે. આફ્ટર ધીસ વિડીયો you can speak confidently about your future plan. So let's start. Simple future tense master class. We will see first definition of simple future tense. This simple future tense is a verb form that describes an action, event or condition that occur at a later time, starting and finishing in the future. It is most commonly used to express future plans, promises, predictions and spontaneous decisions. જે કામ હજી ફ્યુચરમાં થવાનું બાકી હોય તેની માટે સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ. ભવિષ્યની યોજનાઓ, ભવિષ્યવાણી, વચન કે તરત લેવાતા ડિસિઝન માટે સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સનો યુઝ થાય છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: I will study tomorrow. She will come soon. They will play football. કામ ફ્યુચરમાં થશે. ગુજરાતી ક્લુઝ: આવતીકાલે, પછી, જલ્દી, ભવિષ્યમાં. એક્ઝામ્પલ: આવતીકાલે હું માર્કેટ જઈશ. I will go to the market tomorrow. Now we will learn formulas in deep explanations. Formulas are very important. First one, positive statement. Formula: subject plus will plus V1 form. Example: I will help you. She will sing. They will travel. Remember super easy trick. Will plus base form, V1 form. Next one is negative statement. Formula: subject plus will not plus V1 form. Examples: I will not go. She will not agree. They will not accept. Remember this is the trick. Short form of will not, want. Now interrogative sentence. Formula: will plus subject plus V1 form and at the end of the sentence question mark. Examples: will you help me? Will she join us? Will they arrive today? Now uses of simple future tense in real life spoken English. First one, future plans. Example: I will visit London next week. Next one is instant decision. Example: the phone is ringing. I will answer it. Next one is promise. Example: I will always support you. Next one, prediction. Example: India will win the match. And last one, offer. Example: I will carry your bag. Guys, remember, આ ટેન્સ that means simple future tense daily conversation માટે ખૂબ જ પાવરફુલ છે. Now comparison between shall and will. This concept is advanced. First one is shall. Shall used for traditionally with I and we. Example: shall we dance? Shall I open the window? Now will. Will for modern English. Will mostly બધા સબ્જેક્ટ સાથે યુઝ થાય છે. Example: I will go. I will help you. Friends, remember, spoken English માં will વધુ common છે. Now type expressions. Common future words. Tomorrow, next day, later, in future, soon. Let's see examples. She will call tomorrow. We will meet next Sunday. Now let's fix common mistakes that made by beginners and students. Number 1. I will going there. No, I will go there. Next one. She will come soon. No, she will come soon. Last one. Will you listening? No, will you listen? So friends, આજે આપણે સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ ડીપ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કર્યું. Now quick revise what we learned today. Definition of simple future tense. Formulas of positive, negative, interrogative statements. Use of will plus V1. Short form of will not. Future plans, predictions, promises, and use of real spoken English and common mistakes. આ ટેન્સથી તમે કોન્ફિડન્સ સાથે તમારા ફ્યુચર વિશે વાત કરી શકશો. રાઇટ ઇન કોમેન્ટ સિમ્પલ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ ક્લિયર. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.